Hey everybody, it's Brian here. I just want to, it's a little around 4 o'clock, I want to say, and things are starting to wind down a little bit with the snow and everything. At least, you know, I'm able to walk and everything, so, hey Gary, doing all right?
Oh, man.
Yeah, you should have seen it a few hours ago. Yeah.
That car's not getting out of here till Thursday.
I don't know. So, yeah, so he was looking at the cars and everything and stuff, and yeah, and he's like saying, yeah, the cars ain't getting out of here until like Thursday and stuff. But I'm gonna try to take a little bit of a walk here to show you like what's going on and stuff. So I mean, at least I'm able to walk and stuff. So yeah, I'll show you out here and stuff. Yeah, so yeah, out here. And you know, it's still snowing out and stuff. It's still snowing, but yeah, I mean, take a look at the buildings, y'all. Like that's the the office building and stuff right there. They got the lights on and stuff. So I'm pretty sure the guys are gonna be here literally all night, like plowing and stuff. So I'm pretty sure they'll probably be having a sleepover here tonight or whatever. God only knows. But yeah. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you like how the snow is like really like piled up and everything. Yeah, you take a look at all the I mean, you want to know what this kind of reminds me of? It kind of reminds me of the movie The Shining a little bit, doesn't it? Like with the snow, like with the houses and like, remember in the movie The Shining, like the snow was on the hotel and everything. Yeah, I mean, this this is crazy ridiculous, y'all. So, and I thought that my place was I thought the snow would be piled up like up to my window and stuff, but almost. So it's like almost to my window. I mean, that's the pile right there and stuff. So yeah, so Mark Metzger called me and he told me that we got like 2 feet of snow, and Rhode Island, they're close to they're close to like yeah, just getting the snow off my boots there, if you can hear it and stuff in the background. Make sure I got it all. Let's take a look. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, I got my yeah, I mean, one thing I definitely got to tell you about my boots, man. I mean, these boots are like really, really comfortable, I'll tell you. So, yeah. So, thankful I got a good pair of boots. So, yeah. So, yep. So, you know, everything is like, you know, calmed down a little bit and so forth. And, yeah, the wind's calm. And, yeah, I mean, it's still snowing a little bit, but yeah, so it's not going to be over and done until like tomorrow morning and stuff. So yeah, so it's going to be a while before they shovel the snow, like the cars out and everything. So yeah, so I don't know if, I mean, I highly doubt that kids will have school tomorrow and stuff, because last week was their school vacation here in here in Massachusetts, and then they got a day off today, and I'm pretty sure that they'll have another day off tomorrow. Oh, I got to show you this tree, y'all. I got to show you this tree. Take a look at that. Huh? Talk about a snow-covered tree. Yeah. And I'll show you the tree like right here. I mean, talk about a snow-covered tree. Yeah. So I'm hearing that the snow totals for this blizzard are higher than the blizzard of 1978. So get the snow off my hat here. There we are. Yeah. So and I got to take the wipe the snow off of my jacket and stuff here too. So yeah. So they're saying that this blizzard here was bigger than the snowstorm of 1978. So I'm not really sure about that, but I'll watch the news later on and find out for you and stuff. So, man, I must be losing some weight because my jeans are like, and as you can see behind me, the power's on. So I'm thankful to the Lord that we didn't lose power and stuff. So, yeah, so, yep. So other than that, so, yeah, so like I said, the maintenance guys, they'll be here for quite a bit and stuff, clearing everything out and stuff. So, yeah, so I mean, it's not that windy like it was. The wind is pretty much calmed down and everything, praise God. But yeah, so you can see how much snow we got and stuff. So we pretty much got at least over 2 feet of snow. So, yeah. But other than that, I'm doing all right. I had my grilled cheese and French fries. I mean, yeah, my grilled cheese and chicken noodle soup earlier today. I'll probably have chicken patties and French fries tonight for dinner. We'll see. I don't know. But yeah, we'll see. But all right. So I just wanted to let you all know the scoop of what's going on. And yeah, so all right. So I don't know if I'll be back out again and stuff. I might come back out. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so everything is pretty much calm right now. So yeah, so all right. So it's 4:07 right now. So I'll probably come out like maybe in a few more hours, do another video for you all. It'll probably be dark out by then, but I don't know. But I mean, I can hear a little bit of the wind, but it's not as bad as it was. So, but all right. So anyways, I'll talk to you all later. Love you all, and God bless.